Hello Indulgers, welcome back to Indulge with ET. Summer's finally here in Melbourne, Australia, and it is the season of juicing. And with the temperatures on a steady rise, juicing is the way to go. Today I'm going to demonstrate how I make one of my go-to fruit and vegetable cocktails. This one is great for the gut and packed with vitamin C and antioxidants. So without wasting any more time, let's get into this video. To begin, I've washed and prepped my ingredients. I've used 1 whole pineapple, a bunch of celery, 4 apples, and a knob of ginger. All these ingredients then go into the juicer, and within seconds we have fresh juice. This juicer I picked up from Kmart, and when I tell you it does not disappoint, I really mean it. I've got a lot of use out of this juicer, and so far so good. I have no complaints whatsoever. Kmart for us is the equivalent of Target in the US or TK Maxx in the UK. This past lockdown season has included a lot of time on Kmart's online store. I usually go in for one thing and I end up coming out with things I did not know I needed. Let me know if you have also caught the Kmart bug. This lockdown has really made me more aware of my surroundings and the general atmosphere of our home. When you are confined to one place, you tend to put in more effort in decorating it and making it feel homely. Yes, that's right, homely. I hope that in a year from now, we're all going to look back at the great lessons that came with this year. Let's stay optimistic, guys. So you can serve this drink with ice or without, depending on how you like it. Here I've added a touch of celery and some fresh pineapple, and it's good to go. So I hope you tried this juice and give your body some of this goodness. Nothing was wasted in this recipe. All the leftover pulp and peels went into the compost, ready to be put back into the soil. Thank you all for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that subscribe button, like this video, and leave a comment in the comment section. Until we meet again, stay blessed and stay healthy. Goodbye.